Now, in a release yesterday, Beryllium stated that it will comment on the matter once they are allowed to do so. Over $300 million worth of counterfeit goods were seized at a building on Princess Street in downtown Kingston yesterday. Cordian Barrett has the details in this report.
This wholesale on 33B Princess Street, the scene of a major counterfeit bust. Fake bags, shoes and clothes were discovered after the police went to investigate a report made by a rights holder.
We have Puma, we have Nike, we have a lot of Crocs, we have Michael Kors, and if you notice, some of them even name Michael Roars. I mean, they are so creative and disrespectful to the brands.
Counterfeit clothes and shoes are one thing, but counterfeit hygiene products and skincare products like lotions and body sprays, and in the most extreme cases, engine oil. Now that can cause some damage.
It is new for us, but imagine you buy an engine oil that doesn't go through the required amount of testing, quality control, and you put that in your car, right? That your car can destroy your car, right? The lotions that we see, we don't know what kind of chemicals they put in those lotions. And you put the lotion on your skin and your sweat. We're in a tropical climate, it goes into your pore. So, I mean, the ripple effect is great.
The goods are believed to be worth $300 million. Mr. Barrett explains that the proceeds are used to fund organized crime, taking away from well-needed revenue for the country. But with downtown Kingston being a popular spot for counterfeit goods, we asked Mr. Barrett, how does CTOC determine which areas should be raided?
The police has no authority to act unless you get a report. So whilst, yes, you might have a gut feeling, whilst we might identify particular stores along a particular street, then unless we have a report, because look at it, for us to take the matter into the court, who is going to be the complainant?
He's therefore urging rights holders to make a report where they observe their brand is being used for resale.
If you own a brand and you register your brand, and your brand is a known brand and a recognized brand in Jamaica, and you have your certificate of registration from JIPO, then we as the police have a responsibility to act. And by saying that, the owner for the respective brands reach out to us, and we are here.
2 persons have been taken into custody in relation to the raid. However, because the owners had other products that they were licensed to sell, the store will remain open. To date, CTOC has seized over $320 million worth of counterfeit goods, most of which have been alcohol. Cordian Barrett, TVJ News.